Hello everybody, I'm from Choten Real Estate Company located in Ikebukuro, Tokyo. Today I would like to introduce an apartment near Sugamo Station, near Komagome stations on Yamate line. It's like about 8 minutes to walk to both stations. The room is about 21 square meter and the rent fee is 82,000 yen, and no deposits, no key money. So here is a closet and space for washing machine, refrigerator, and here is the space for kitchen. Yes, kitchen, and here is the bathroom and toilets. And it has a mirror here. So inside we have the space for the bed, also space for your work. We have a closet here. Is used for clothes, putting clothes or other items here, such as suitcases. Here is the balcony. You can open this door and go outside. And here is the air conditioner and the light here. If you need more information, please contact us. We will give you all the information you need. Or if you need other information about other apartments in Tokyo, you can request us. Thank you for watching and see you next reviews. See you.